Microsoft is starting to roll out a new update to Windows 11 that could include a whole host of improvements and new built-in features. Copilot in Windows 11 is getting more options to control your PC as a part of this update, alongside a new generative erase option in Photos, voice shortcuts for accessibility, and improved snap layout, changes to the widget section, and more. While the Windows 11 update is available, Microsoft says not all features will be enabled straight away. Copilot new options will start rolling out in late March, enabling new skills like being able to use chatbot to enable the battery saver mode or to launch functionality like narrator and magnifier. Copilot will also be able to show available Wi-Fi network storage spaces and even empty your recycling bin. Many AI-powered features are coming to a built-in Photos app. A new generative erase feature will let you remove unwanted objects from a photo by simply selecting and deleting them. It's very similar to magical AI selective photo erasers found on Google and Samsung devices. Clipchamp, Microsoft Video Editor, is also getting the ability to remove awkward silences in photo. Microsoft is improving the widgets and built-in snap layout feature in Windows 11. Widgets have been useful but has marred by the Microsoft feed of junk from MSN. Now you can disable the Microsoft Start feed, and Windows Widget Board is also interoperable as a part of Microsoft Digital Market Act commitments to the European Union. That means Google could build a plugin for the widgets board that shows content from Google's feed instead. The snap feature in Windows 11 that makes it easy to resize your app windows is getting smarter, as it will remember your frequently snapped and automatically suggest layout. If you have Windows 11 powered tablet that has stylus, this latest Windows 11 update also includes the ability to write directly in text boxes across the OS. This includes Windows Ink support in apps like Paint, Photoshop, WhatsApp, etc. The built-in casting feature lets you send content to nearby devices in Windows 11 is also being tweaked. If someone who shares Windows content to other devices, or you own an Android phone, this latest Windows 11 update has brought some improvement to make it easier to share content to and from devices. Nearby share has now become faster if you're sharing people or devices within the same network. The Phone Link app includes ability to access recent photos or to use your phone as a web camera. This feature is rolling out to Windows insiders to test. Last but not the least, Microsoft is making some accessibility improvement to Windows 11. A new voice shortcut features let you create custom commands to automate tasks in the voice access feature. You can access to use voice on multiple devices, including number and grids overlays on secondary device. They have also improved the built-in narrator feature in Windows 11. Most of these features will be enabled by default in the March 2024 optional non-security preview released for all edition of Windows 11. By April, this feature should be out for everyone.